Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is super bright, something that I'm not normally known for, let's face it, using lots of colour, so I hope you like it. So we are using the Tea Together stamp set for the roses, so we're using the Well Said stamp set for the sentiment, and we're also using the beautiful Butterfly Beauty Finlit dies, which is here, which it does punch out all these holes. So what I did was I ran that through and then cut it all. Hold on, let me bring it back in. So I cut all these extra ones off, and then with this shape I drew around it, my apologies, and then just hand cut this out, so then I had a solid base instead of one with lots of detail, just so I could add the detail on myself. So shall we get started? Move that out of the way and put that over there. So I'm starting by bringing in a piece of Mango Melody for the card base, and that's just 4x4. And I'm bringing in some gingham paper in coordinating colour, like so. And that's just going to sit over the top, like so. And with this you have two sides, the smaller print and the larger print. Today I just want the larger print. That's just going to leave a teeny tiny border all the way around, like so. And what I've done is I've grabbed some garden green cardstock and run that through with the stitch shapes. That's going to sit in the centre, like so. So let me grab some dimensions. Put one in northeast, southwest. Take the back off, throw them to one side, we all do it, and place that in the centre of our 4x4 square. Easy. So that's that done. Shall we get some stamping done? So as I said, I've already pre-drew around and cut out the butterfly. And I'm just going to bring in the rose stamp, which you've seen me use plenty of times before, and my momentum ink. I'm just going to ink that up. And then I'm just going to randomly stamp this down, like so. Not being any particular way, just trying not to hit the same spot that I've already gone over, like so. So that's pretty basic and pretty, and all I'm going to do now is colour that in with blends. So I've already saved some time by having one ready, but I am going to colour in for you. So I'm using 5 blends in total: Granny Apple Green, light and dark for the leaves, and I'm literally doing Granny Apple Green light all over, slash in the middle with the dark, and then I'm just going to run that over again with the light. However, with the actual roses, because we're going for colour and spring feel, we are using Daffodil Delight, light and dark, which is this one, as well as Mango Melody Dark. So we've got the 3 different tones, and I'm just going to quickly colour in this one so you can see. So I'm using the lightest colour first, and all I'm going to do is run this completely over the rose. Like so, and that gives a really cute pastel colour. And then I'm going to go back in with the dark, and as you can see, I'm not being particularly careful because with this you have so much to colour. I just want to get the colour down. But all the time I'm going out from the centre, then bringing in your darkest colour, and then just finishing that off in the deepest corners. Like so. And to finish off, all I'm going to do is take my light blend and again just quickly run over the whole rose just to help blend out all them colours. Like so. It's that simple. Pop the lid back on. So that's going to sit in the centre of our Granny Apple Green, and I'm going to pop that up onto some dimensionals, and I'm using mini dimensionals just to secure it in the middle. But first, what I forgot to do, I'm going to do a little strip of adhesive in the centre, and I'm taking the flux ribbon in Whisper White, and that's just going to sit in the middle of the card, like so, before this goes down. So quickly take this off and adhere this down. Like so. And then I've already pre-stamped and heat embossed the sentiment onto some basic black, and just to mirror these ends of the ribbon, I'm just going to cut a slight angle like so, and again with mini dimensionals, just pop that on the back. And pop that in the centre of the card and the butterfly, like so. Okay, so that's super easy so far. What we're going to do is grab some scrap Whisper White, and we want to make some antennae. So I'm going to cut a very skinny strip of Whisper White. No, that didn't work. I feel like this is too thick. Hey ho, we'll see. So a teeny tiny little bit, and you'll see it naturally curls, but I'm just going to fold it in half, like so. And then with a dimensional, stick that underneath, like so. And taking the top off, just going to stick that behind our little butterfly's head. Like so. And then we can just cut these down to whatever length you see fit. Split them a little bit. Like so. Just bear with me. You can fiddle with this as much as you like, that's better. Okay, and then just to finish it off, I'm going to bring in some rhinestones. And just place them around like so, quite haphazardly. Thought I might like it there, but I don't. And this seems quite loose, so what I'm going to do is fix the problem by just putting dimensional extra support just behind the wings, just to help hold it in place. This is what happens with videos, nothing ever goes according to plan, but hey ho. So there we go. That's today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop for you to purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a wonderful card. I'll see you around. Bye.